our Honorable City Mayor Jose Pepe Orlino for approving for the first time na atong ipahigayon ang atong drum and lyre competition. First time na ato ni siyang ipahigayon. Pakpakan na ito pag-usap, Mayor Pepe Orlino. Akong giingnan si Mayor. Atong yun yung i-appeal kaya mga ginikanan gagasto sa uniform sa mga kaanakan nilang appeal sa banda. Kausik na dili silang mutayada.
Oh yeah.
My commendation goes out to all the principals, the trainers, our advisors of the band, teachers and supporters. Kaninyong tanan, daghang kayong salamat. To the members of the board of adjudicators, salamat sa paggahin og panahon. Dili na ni nato langayon, andam na bata. Viva Senior Santiago Apostol.
All right. Oh yeah, my family.
Daghang salamat, Doc Suyo, for those inspiring words. And now, pili na gid nato langay-langayon pa. Let's meet the stars of today's show.
Oh yeah.
Our talented participants. To introduce them, we have a dedicated committee member who has worked tirelessly behind the scenes. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Dr. Nellen B. Coronado.
My respect and courtesy to our City Mayor, Honorable Jose Pepe P. Orlino, our Director General of 2024 Tanay City Fiesta Directorate, Dr. Milagros S. Suyo, the Chairperson of Tanay City Drums and Lyre Corps Competition, Dr. Susie Ramirez, to all our City Councilors and everyone here present, good morning. I am tasked to introduce the different participating schools of today's competition. We have 3 from the elementary category and 7